Find the volume of the solid generated by revolving the region bounded by the graph of y is x squared plus 1, y is 0, x is 0, and x is 1 about the y-axis. So let's have a sketch of this, because this could be quite an awkward region to do, I think. So x squared plus 1, we only really need this limb, we don't need the bit on the other side. X equals 1 would be here. So we know this is 1, and then 1 squared plus 1 is 2, so that's going to be 2 here. And the area that we actually want to rotate is this one. Now, this is a difficult area to rotate because it's not all touching the axis. So, as we did in a previous example like this, what I'm going to do is do the whole thing here. Now, that's a rectangle, so that's going to give us a cylinder, and then we'll subtract this bit. So let's look at the cylinder first. We can see that's got a radius of 1 and a height of 2. So pi r squared h for a cylinder. So that's going to be pi times 1 squared times 2, which is just 2 pi cubic units. So now let's look at this black portion here. That's going to be pi times the integral from y is 1 to y is 2 of x squared dy. Now, y is x squared plus 1 is the curve, so x squared is going to be y take away 1. So that's going to be y take away 1 dy, and that's going from 1 to 2. So that's going to be pi y squared over 2 take away y from 1 to 2. So substitute 2 in and we get 4 over 2, which is 2 take away 2. And then here we're going to get a half take away 1. So that's going to be pi into 0, add a half. So that's a half pi cubic units. So the bit that we actually want is going to be 2 pi take away a half pi, which is 3 pi by 2 cubic units.